Here we are beginning to look at modals. This is Grammar Explanation 8.1 on page 197. Okay, modal verbs there's 7 of them: can, could, should, would, may, might, and must. We have 7 of them in English, and it's a small group of verbs that have special rules and special behavior different from other verbs. And here is an overview of what they look like. A renter must sign a lease. Okay, you can see here that the base form of the verb always follows a modal. So I can't say signs or signed. It's always the dictionary base form that you see after a modal. And then the modal never has an S ending. For example, a tenant can ask for changes before signing the lease. If I'm not using can, I can say a tenant asks, and I put the S. But the can doesn't use the S. You don't put an S onto a modal. Then to form the negative, you put not after the modal. The negative can is written as one word, cannot, and the contraction of cannot is can't. So here's you should not pay your rent late. That one's 2 words. I cannot understand my lease. It becomes 1 word. The contraction here would be can't. I can't understand my lease. And then an adverb can go between the modal and the main verb. Okay, so here we have probably. If you don't trust the landlord, you should probably look for another apartment. And here is, oops, let me stop this a minute. Yeah, I had to fix a mistake here. Here are some of these patterns. Okay, here's the affirmative statement: we can have a cat in the apartment. And the negative, I'm going to have the not after the modal. We can't have a dog in an apartment, or we can't have a dog. And for the yes-no question, you're going to put can first. Can we have a bird? And the short answer looks like this: yes, you can. And WH question, why can we have a cat? And a negative WH question, why can't we have a dog? And here I'm asking who can have a dog.